Okay, we're making a special video for the SHIB INU support channel. Use my link in the description down below to sign up for Binance. As leverage lowest fees, use my link in the description down below because I'm sponsored by Bybit. Let's talk about SHIB INU. And because there's a lot of things about it. Again, I'm no financial advisor. And first, let's start with the chart. And there are some issues with the chart right now. More specifically, let's go to Shiba Inu. We've got a long squeeze and a short squeeze that just happened within the span of 24 hours, which is an issue. I just got closed on a small short. I just did on ADA. A long, I mean. And it's happening again. So this pretty much was confirmed. This 11% move on Shiba Inu, a bit more on Bitcoin, was a short squeeze. The downside was probably a long squeeze. There's a lot of anticipation of another long squeeze right now that's happening. And we are building up for it, which is not great. It's not good that the only uptick we had was a short squeeze. And I hope the bears are wrong. I'm neither a bear or a bull. I'm long on tokens. For example, I bought 6k worth of ZU. It's worth 3 point something k right now, 3.5k. I'm long on it, and I would expect a 20-30x on this. I expect to make 100 grand from ZU token. I made a lot of videos on it, and I'm long on other tokens that I have on other accounts. But I'm also willing to short and take short positions whenever I see value in. And some short positions can be very lucrative, to be honest. You can trade very big swings. For example, right now, the SHIB army in general is the morale is strong. If you go on SHIB army Reddit, like everyone is, the morale is strong. 2025 SHIB, bought SHIB 2022, bought SHIB 2021, 2025, SHIB hits 1 cent and didn't buy. And he's sad. Buys it all-time high. Paper hand. Sells it lost. The coin is just premium. Why do the cryptocurrency people hate us so much? Leave us alone. It's because... Oh. What? Oh, fired. The brand, the carbon. This is so funny. Love it. I actually love it. Did you see the SHIB army? Some big moves for SHIB. When your wife asks if you want some nacho dip. Dip. I always want dip. Yeah, and Bitsy is definitely dumping right now. Shiba Inu as well. I'll be looking to do a long if we get a confirmation for one. Let's see how that works out for us. The way SHIB moves is a little bit weird compared to other currencies, though. The chart in general is a little bit weird. Oh, because I'm using the Poloniex one. Oh my. Let me just quickly fix that. But yeah, I would play with a stop loss on Shiba Inu around the 500s area. This is what I would do, and I'll explain why. If BTC goes below 28k, what I do believe to happen is, okay, that's better. What I do, look at the selling pressure from here. In the last 4 hours, we had such a high selling pressure, but I'm actually interested in starting a long soon. I'm actually gonna long Shiba Inu real quick. Right here, but this is a very short trade. You can also long pretty much anything you want from here. Let me put a stop loss. You can long pretty much anything from here because everything took a massive dump. But I would have a stop loss because the 5 to 600 area is basically accumulation zone. As you can see here, I did a lot of charts on it. And oh no, come on, because I removed my other chart. Now you can see it. Shib Poloniacs. Okay, let's go to this one. Look at this. The accumulation zones are pretty much here around this area. And so I'm not too worried. But if it drops below here and you have a long, maybe it's a good idea to close it if it's a longer one. And then if you still believe in Shiba Inu, you can rebuy. If you're still just holding, that's okay as well. I also wanted to long ADA from here. It's going to be a short trade. Let's start with that. It's going to be a very short trade. Like longing ADA right here is going to be a short trade. And I'll also keep the BTC price in mind when doing that. But the pretty much managed to get ADA at the bottom just now. So let's see how that goes. So yeah, moral for Shiba Army is strong. We're waiting for eToro. That's in Coinbase. I don't know why they didn't list us in the end. That's definitely not a good thing. I've been investing in crypto now for 2 years, 17 years. And now he is pretty well when the funders come knocking. Yeah, you don't want funders. This dude has 300 bucks in Shiba Inu. So I got a little more, little by little, fellow soldiers. I just think Shiba Inu is a great project, but I think you should diversify. I mean, it's a meme coin that can definitely surpass that Dogecoin. But I mean, just look at Zoo. We managed to buy in Zoo here. Double money is here. Some of you managed to buy here. I think I mentioned it in Telegram chat. I was just on the beach at this time. I was really early in the morning. I woke up around here. Blasted off like 5x or something since the initial purchase. Dipped. I've been buying, as you can see, the green candles here. Buying. Accumulated a bunch. I didn't save here. My average is around 7.7 bucks. But I think there's a lot of other projects that you should diversify. Like if you want to buy Shiba, do that, obviously, but also diversify your portfolio. I think in general, most projects will be up if the bull market continues, and 95% of the projects will go to drop by 90% if the bull run is over. So the most important thing for us right now is BTC going up, breaking the 42K area. If the video helped you out, you know what to do. Give me a like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.